have the May box. This is the Boxycharm by Ipsy, or what was the base box. And this month the theme is Born to Bloom, so we're gonna get into it. I will have timestamps down below if you're looking for a particular like try on, any of those, or my final thoughts. It will have timestamps down below. Also, if you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. That really helps out my channel. And if you guys want to follow me on socials, I have them down below. So first thing in here is the Huda Beauty Faux Filler. These glosses are a beautiful gloss. They're not like goopy where if you like put your lips together, they kind of like become too thick. It's a really nice formula. You do not want to apply too much of these. That is a forewarning. So just a light layer is enough. And I'm not going to open this one because I actually already own it. And this is Sugar Baby. And the wand on these are very different. It's like a dough applicator, but it's flat on the sides and it's really easy to apply. This particular shade, you guys will see it in the try on, is a little light for me, but what I really like about this is just how glossy and beautiful, but these are very pigmented, so that is a forewarning. So like for this, for example, this shade, I have to be very light-handed with it because it could look a little bit way too light on my lips, especially if I don't have a lip liner, but I really enjoy this formula, so I'm glad that they have Miss Huda in this box. Next product is the Olaplex Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. I really enjoy Olaplex. I've bought their products and I've also been sent their products. And for the majority of their products, I really have enjoyed them. This is supposed to help be a heat protectant and also help with humidity and give you volume to your hair. I did use it today. You guys will see me actually spraying this onto my damp hair. And this is how it turned out. I feel like it looks a little volumized. I probably could have put a little bit more into my hair. I was afraid that it was gonna get crunchy or have some type of residue because I've used volumizing sprays where it has done that. And so I wasn't sure. It was my first time using it. I do like the smell. It smells like most Olaplex products, but it didn't leave any kind of residue. It left my hair really nice and soft. So I will continue trying this out. And if you guys want a dedicated review, I will do that. Next, I have the Rhodile Pink Diamond. This is a lifting oil. It has vitamin C, marshmallow root, and diamond powder. This gave a beautiful glow to the skin. I will say it's a rather thick oil, so I feel like this is better if you're gonna use it on a daily basis. You might want to use this if you have dry skin. If you have more oily skin, this might be something that you use at night. But it says it's to brighten skin, to help like vitamin C and E help with your complexion. And then the diamond powder actually helps reflect light and give radiance to the skin. So I really felt like it gave a beautiful like glow to my skin. You guys will see it in the try on portion. And I love vitamin C and vitamin E. The only thing that surprises me is that it's in a clear bottle, and usually vitamin C is in a dark bottle to conserve the ingredients. So I don't know how much vitamin C is actually in here because usually they want to preserve the ingredients by containing it in a dark container. So I don't know if that's just something that people say, but I did love the glow that it gave my skin, and I wore it underneath my foundation today. Next is the Mercy Handy facial cleansing gel. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use this. We shall see. This has salicylic acid, zinc gluconate, and niacinamide. It seems to be more for people who might have like acne. I feel like most people who have acne use salicylic acid. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not. I might try it out. I have heard of this brand, Mercy Handy, but I've never had any of their products. So we shall see. The last thing in the box is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. I also use this in the try on portion. I was a little scared because this is the shade Sun Glow, and let me just go ahead and squirt some out on my hand. I don't know if you guys see that, but that is dark, and I was like, ooh, I don't know if this is gonna work out for me, but it actually does blur into like just a very subtle tint. So it's not anything overly over the top. I feel like the shade went really well with my light medium skin. It's almost like light now, but it's, I want to say I'm like a light medium. But very, very beautiful. Smells like the watermelon, like their normal niacinamide kind of dewdrops that are in the same bottle, except for it has a little bit of the tint. So it's very beautiful to go underneath, or even like if you want to have a no makeup day, I could see myself just applying this all over my face and going. So really nice. So now we're going to jump into the try on portion. First, I'm going to start off with the Olaplex Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. It says to like spray it, especially in the roots. I am going to be drying my hair at some point after this, so I thought I could just spray it and kind of smell it. It has that smell of Olaplex. If you've ever used any of Olaplex's products, hair products, they all have a distinctive smell. So that's exactly what this smells like. It says it's a protective volumizer. It's supposed to help with heat and humidity, and it's supposed to give you like some more volume, and it's supposed to be really good for blowouts. So in a little while, I know I look a little cray cray, but after I'm done with my makeup, I am going to do my hair. Next, I'm going to go in with the Pink Diamond Rhodile, and this is a lifting oil. I want to say it's for your skin. Is it? Yeah, it's for your skin. For a minute there, I was like, are you a face oil? Rhodile has like a lot of, it's very pricey from what I remember, but it has a lot of great reviews. People rave about the brand for many, many years. So I probably shouldn't have applied this on because it feels really greasy. But we're just gonna go with it. It has a really nice smell to it. It has a very citrusy smell, and it has vitamin C in it, so I think that that's what it is. It's supposed to lift and illuminate. For sure, I can feel the illumination. This is really nice for my dry skin because it's just really, oh my god, it's almost like silky to the touch. If you have oily skin, you might just want to use this at night, and this is definitely not for you during the day. The last product that I'm going to try from the base box is the Glow Recipe. I'm a little scared because it says Sun Glow on here and it looks a little dark, so I'm a little wary. This is what it looks like, their bottle. I used to love the dewdrops. I'm trying to go through a lot of other products that I have, so that's one of the reasons that I haven't repurchased it, but I really love that. Okay, I'm a little scared. Look how dark that is. I don't know if they have other shades available, if this is meant for me. It says to dispense 1 or 2 pumps and blend over face and neck for luminous all over tint. So it has the niacinamide, and it's supposed to be like a bronzing serum for all over the face. And it has their watermelon smell. Okay. If not, I'll just wash my face, so. Oh. You know what? It's not as tinted as I thought it was gonna be. Like even on my hands, it's like just a slight hue. I don't know if you guys can even tell, but yeah, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. It smells like their watermelon dewdrops, like their regular one, except for it gives like a little bit more luminosity, a little bit of bronze. I was scared when I saw the color, but I like it so far. It feels like just like their other thing, but just with like a little bit more of a tint to it. So I'm not sure if this has other shades available. Hopefully they do, but it says Ultimate Glow and Brightening. So this is really nice. I feel like the JLo one wanted to be like this, but then that one's too pigmented. I actually use that one that's supposed to be for the face from JLo's brand for my legs because that's how tinted it is. It actually like really darkens my face. So really nice. The last product that I'm gonna try, I totally forgot that this was in there. This is the Huda Faux Filler in the shade Sugar Baby. I already own this, so I thought I would just put on a little bit. This is something that I would usually use with a lip liner just because it's such a pale pink. Just so you guys can see the shade, I'm applying a little bit. And here is what the shade looks like. This is Sugar Baby. I want to say I have a video of these swatched on my lips. I'm not sure. I'll try to put it in the down bar if I remember. But this is a beautiful, like, gorgeous pink. For someone who's like light, medium, or darker, you're gonna want to use this with a lip liner. It looks okay if you just apply a little bit like I did and then kind of spread it out. But if you were going to go like full force, it's going to look way too light. This is more for the pale skin girlies. If not, you do want to use a lip liner or be very careful about how much you apply. Overall, I have to say I really love this month's box. We have a lot of great brands in here with other brands that I've never tried before. Huda, we have Glow Recipe, Rhodile, Olaplex. Those are all major brands that I recognize. The only one that I've never tried before is this Mercy Handy, but I will give it a go and we'll see, because I have more dry skin. I don't really suffer from acne, and this has salicylic acid, so we'll see how it goes. But overall, this box was excellent. Super happy, super excited. I love when Ipsy does a good job curating their boxes, the choices that people have. I feel like this is what we want to see more of, and we saw it last month. We're seeing it now, so I'm super excited. I hope that they continue this path. I feel like when people see these type of videos, those are the videos that I get like comments like, oh my god, this kind of like makes me want to resubscribe. I want to subscribe again, you know, like, oh my god, I can't believe I missed out on this box kind of thing. So hopefully they will continue this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe, like this video, comment, share if you can. That's very helpful to me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.